Hey, Amy from the blog, bossinglife.com, and today I want to show you how to make sourdough banana bread. Now this sourdough banana bread is so delicious. It's just like a normal banana bread, but it has the health benefit of fermented grains. Yesterday I mixed together sourdough, starter, flour, honey, and butter all together, and then I covered it with a towel and let it ferment overnight. And now I'm ready to make the rest of my banana bread. So I'm gonna mash up about 1 cup of bananas, which is about 2 bananas. And of course you wanna make sure that they're super ripe, the riper the better, because that means the sweeter they are. So I'm just gonna put this in a measuring cup just to make sure I have about a cup of the mashed banana. Let's see if I need any more banana. Luckily, I have a lot of very ripe bananas that need to be used up. And banana bread is one of our favorite treats. I'm gonna add my 2 bananas to my mixture. So I'm gonna add 2 eggs. I really like to do my eggs in a separate bowl, just make sure there's no shells or anything else that might get into it. I'm gonna pour these in. All right, to the mixture, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. Sprinkle that over. A half a teaspoon of baking powder. A half a teaspoon of salt. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then I'm just gonna mix it all up.
The first few times I made this, I made it by hand, but I highly recommend using a stand mixer. It makes the process way easier.
All right, once that is well combined, I'm gonna pour it into a parchment lined bread pan. So after I put it into the loaf pan, and I just spread it out to make sure it's nice and even, I'm gonna put it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees
for about 75 to 85 minutes.
All right, I pulled this from the oven and let it cool, and now I'm ready to slice it up. It smells and looks so good. My family actually already got little bits of this because they snuck it. This has such great flavor, and the sourdough component adds even more flavor to it. It's so delicious, and I really hope that your family enjoys it as much as mine does. Thank you so much for coming by. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. I share 2 new videos every week on simple recipes, DIY projects, and natural living products. Thanks so much, and leave in the comments below if you love making sourdough products and which sourdough recipe you want to see next.